Hi! In this video we are going to see how the break and continuous statements works. In this case, these statements are useful for changing the behavior of loops. Here we have a program in which there is a number whose value is 100, and then we are printing all the numbers that are multiple of 3 and 5 at the same time, between 1 and 100. If we play this, all of these are the numbers multiple of 3 and 5. So let's say that we want to only print the first number that is multiple of 3 and 5. In this case, when we find the 15, it's not needed to reach the 100 value and to reach the 100 iterations, because we have already finished when we find this. So, well, if we want to do this, we can say, well, when you find a number that is multiple of 3 and 5, enters here. The first time is when the value of I is 15, and then we can do break. This will stops the loop at this point. So when I reaches the value of 15, by finding this instruction break, we'll break the while, and the loop ends here without carrying out the rest of the iterations. Let's say how it works. Okay, as you can observe, the loop doesn't reach the 100 iteration. And the other statement, continue, allow us to break the iteration. This behavior is different. Let's say that we have this print and this other print. Well, in this case, just shows the value and shows next after printing. Okay, well, I put here next, but it could be different conditions. But the point here is to define how continue works. If we put here continue, the code that satisfies this condition executes this print and then continue. This continue breaks the iteration. So breaks the iteration when the value I satisfies this condition, breaks the iteration, but takes the next iteration at the beginning. So, for example, when the value I reaches 15, executes the block of code inside the if, will print 15, and the continue breaks here the iteration. So the code goes here again with the value of 15. Okay? So, as you can observe, this will cause an infinite loop. So, if we want to do this statement, we need to ensure that in any case, the value of the variable that controls the loop increases each iteration. So, before doing continue, in this case, it's important to increase the number of 1, since the iteration will break here and do not reach this instruction. So basically, the break statement breaks the loop and finishes the loop, and the continuous statement breaks the iteration and continues the next iteration. So it's important, using the while loop, that the variable that controls the end of the loop increases in each iteration, even when we put the continuous statement. Thanks for watching.